Hey guys, this is Jay with Suncoast Marine Group here in Sarasota, Florida. Just finished doing a kind of a difficult, not kind of, a very difficult trolling motor install on this Pursuit 288. Wasn't a whole lot of data out there, if any, on a Pursuit putting a trolling motor on it due to these curved gunnels on this boat. I'll show you here in a minute, but long story short, we got the Garmin Kraken we installed in here. So your traditional plate mounting bracket that you would use on you know, your typical install on a trolling motor, you can't use on this. So what we had to do was go to a Sea Swivel bracket. So this actually allows the trolling motor to, when it's deployed now, but as you can see, this is a curved gunnel that goes down. So even here, you don't have a flat mounting surface like you do on a typical boat, like the Sea Fox 288 we have over here that has that same motor on it. That deck on that boat is flat. And so we were able to use your standard mounting bracket. But didn't know what we were getting into on this until we started. And but anyways, it turned out very nice. And this I could show. You just lift that. If I were to deploy it, this will swivel around and then tuck away nicely back here on the rail. So we didn't lose any use of the hatch, the bow shade, or the cleat. So everything is still functional. We've also, nice thing about the Kraken is you can control this with the remote, or we've got this paired with the Garmin. So you've got your engine speed here, you can turn it up or down, and all of your anchoring options are here. So I push, just using a touchscreen here, you can see the motor turning. And I can go back the other direction and make adjustments from the Garmin. Whereas most trolling motors, you have to use the remote. So pretty cool setup. Like I said, very difficult install. Even on the batteries, we had to, this boat has a bow thruster option, and there was a box there that we took out, and then we made a starboard box to put the batteries. So I don't know what we'd done if there was a bow thruster in here. There's no room left. And then the battery charger, we had to run the cable all the way down the gunnel, and we put the charger cord right there. So like I said, not the easiest of an install, but it turned out pretty nice, and this works really good here. So we got good clearance. You're supposed to have a good 4 inches from the rub rail, and we've achieved that. I'll go ahead and bring it back up into the stow position. Hard to do by myself with the camera, but let's see if I can get it done here. It's a Sunday, so I got no help. So you just release that, put the hatch back down, and then this just swings around. And so what we were trying to do, this will have a railing yoke right here to hold it. And so we still have a good, once this is mounted, a good 1 to 2 inch clearance from the rub rail. And we didn't really lose any seating here. So like I said, a real difficult install, but we got it done. If you're looking to do something like this, give us a call at Suncoast Marine Group, Sarasota, Florida, 941-330-1601. We are your Avalon dealer here in Sarasota, Florida, and we also sell sea foxes and all kinds of stuff. So appreciate you watching.